So now to open it, all you do is press a button and the entire door pretty much just slides back automatically. आपको खोलने या बंद करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है because एक बटन से ही चीज होती है. Now inside, as you can see the seat, you can pretty much open the leg rest. You've got massaging seats like you can come and see here. You've got a small little phone screen kind of display that controls everything in the seat. Like you can see, I'm moving the seat right now. And you've got massage functions, you've got heat functions. And honestly, अगर आपको लग्जरी चाहिए, इससे बेटर चीज आपको मार्केट में मिल ही नहीं सकती. Welcome back to Crank It Auto. And आज है हमारे पास the MG EV9 and this car is honestly one of the best vans you could buy in this particular budget. The Velfire तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही महंगी है, but if you don't have that kind of money and you still want the same amount of luxury, well, this is the car for you. I have to show you the inside of the car. तो पहले अंदर से थोड़ा देख लेते हैं. So now to open it, all you do is press a button and the entire door pretty much just slides back automatically. आपको खोलने या बंद करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है because एक बटन से ही चीज होती है. Now inside, as you can see the seat, you can pretty much open the leg rest. You've got massaging seats like you can come and see here. You've got a small little phone screen kind of display that controls everything in the seat. Like you can see, I'm moving the seat right now. And you've got massage functions, you've got heat functions. And honestly, अगर आपको लग्जरी चाहिए, इससे बेटर चीज आपको मार्केट में मिल ही नहीं सकती. और कोई गाड़ी में इतनी लग्जूरियस जो सीटिंग है, I'm not talking the interiors per se. Interiors काफी plain है इस गाड़ी के, but in terms of seating and comfort, इस गाड़ी से बेटर कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. लेग रूम तो आप देख ही सकते हो, बहुत ज्यादा लेग रूम है इस गाड़ी में. राइट नाउ ये वाली सीट हमने पूरी पीछे की एंड रिक्लाइन की, उसके बावजूद इतनी जगह है. नॉर्मली ये सीट इतनी पीछे नहीं होगी. सो यू कैन इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ लेग रूम दैट इज. तो अगर आपके पास एक ड्राइवर है एंड यू वांट द बेस्ट इन लग्जरी ऑनली एट दिस प्राइस पॉइंट, आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स दैट यू कुड बाय रादर देन बाय अ लग्जरी ब्रांड जिसमें आपको स्पेस भी कम मिलेगा बट सिर्फ ब्रांड मिलेगा. इफ यू आर अ प्रैक्टिकल थिंकिंग पर्सन, दिस कार मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस. नाउ हम इस गाड़ी पे करने वाले हैं PPF बिकॉज ये गाड़ी है ब्लैक एंड ब्लैक को इंडिया में मेंटेन करना बहुत ज़्यादा ही मुश्किल है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू बी इंस्टॉलिंग अ फुल पेंट प्रोटेक्शन फिल्म, सॉरी आई फंबल्ड है, फुल पेंट प्रोटेक्शन फिल्म विद a 10-year वारंटी ऑन द एंटायर कार ताकि गाड़ी प्रोटेक्टेड रहे. एंड इस फिल्म की खासियत ये है कि इट सेल्फ हील्स इटसेल्फ. तो अगर माइनर स्क्रैचेस गाड़ी पे आ गए, इट कैन प्रीटी मच सेल्फ हील इटसेल्फ विद सनलाइट. तो यू डोंट रियली नीड टू कीप डूइंग पॉलिशिंग ऑन दिस कार. एक बार PPF इंस्टॉल हो गया एंड द बेस्ट टाइम टू गेट इट डन इज जब गाड़ी बिल्कुल ब्रांड न्यू हो, उसी टाइम कराना चाहिए. People make the mistake of getting it done 1 year later after there are a lot of stone chips, after there are a lot of damage. If you want to protect something, you protect it from the start like this client did. Directly from the showroom, the car came here and then we installed the PPF onto the paint. So अगर आपको black पसंद है and you really like that color and you want to keep it shining, PPF is definitely the way to go in order to keep your car looking and feeling new for a very, very long time, like in this case we did. So now the first stage that we're going to do is a good decontamination wash on the entire car, ताकि from all the corners we can remove all the dirt and dust so that it doesn't come under the PPF when we are in the PPF stage. After that is when we move into the paint correction stage, in which we take out all the finer swirl marks and polish the paint. So let's get started with the first stage, which is the decontamination wash. So now one of the next stages after the decontamination wash is through the paint correction. जैसे आपको पहले बताया था हमने वीडियो में, हम पेंट करेक्शन करने वाले हैं बिकॉज काफ़ी ज़्यादा swirl marks और स्क्रैचेस थे हमारी पूरी गाड़ी पे. उसको हमें इस स्टेज में क्लियर करना बहुत ज़रूरी है बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट रिमूव इट इन दिस स्टेज, जब आप PPF लगाओगे तो वाले स्क्रैचेस फिर भी विजिबल रहेंगे बिकॉज ये ग्लॉस PPF है. वो निकालना बहुत ज़रूरी है वरना जो लास्ट में फिनिशिंग आएगी वो स्क्रैचेस आपको दिखेंगे एंड देन यू रिमूव द शीट एंड डू इट ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन, जिससे पेंट का क्लियर कोट भी डैमेज हो सकता है एवरी टाइम यू रिमूव द PPF. People don't understand that. Hence, whenever you're getting PPF done, always ensure that all the processes are followed, because if they are not, your car is not going to look good at the end and you'll still find those scratches on the paint, which is one of the worst things to do because you'll have to keep doing it over and over again till you do it. So might as well do the process once and do it right. So anyways, we're going to do a compounding first to remove all the scratches from the paint, and then we're going to be polishing it in order to enhance the shine in the paint, after which we will then start the process of the PPF. So now, as you can see, the next step that we're doing is the installation of the PPF inside the paint booth. Now, this has to be done properly so that there is no dust or foreign contamination that comes under the PPF while we're installing it, because if any dust or foreign contaminants come and sit under the PPF, it will be there and it will stick forever. Your entire finishing will not be the same as when you do it in a dust-proof environment. So wherever you're getting your car done, always ensure that it is always done in a dust-proof environment in order to ensure that all your work gets done properly and there is no dust or any foreign contaminants which could be around that go under the PPF. बहुत से लोग नहीं करते हैं and because of that finishing PPF की नहीं आती है. काफ़ी steps होते हैं PPF करने के टाइम पे. आप उसको इंश्योर करोगे तभी आपकी गाड़ी की जो फिनिशिंग है प्रॉपर आएगी, वरना हमेशा नजर आएगा कि PPF के नीचे कुछ डस्ट या कुछ कंटैमिनेशन बैठा हुआ है एंड वो रहेगा जब तक आप PPF नहीं निकालोगे अपनी गाड़ी से. सो ऑलवेज इंश्योर, जहां भी दे रहे हो मेक श्योर कि एक डस्ट प्रूफ और क्लोज्ड एनवायरनमेंट में ही आपकी गाड़ी हो रही है. रेस्ट हमारी जो कटिंग्स है वो हम आपको वीडियो के आखिर में दिखाएंगे कि क्या आपको कट नजर आते हैं इस गाड़ी पे या नहीं. इसको देखने के लिए वीडियो के लास्ट में हम आपको दिखाएंगे. फाइनली गाड़ी हो गई हमें तैयार. हमने आपको स्टार्ट टू एंड दिखा दिया what all steps need to be done on your car to ensure a proper PPF installation. Now we're going to show you how it looks after the installation, because a lot of people think that when you install PPF on your car वो नजर आएगा or the cuts are not going to be done properly. Well, if you do it at a place that doesn't know how to do it, you're going to end up with that. If you don't and you get it done at a place that actually knows how to install it properly, you're not going to find a single cut, which is what we're about to show you. So now, if you come in closer, we're going to start off and take you around the whole car. See around the bonnet, there's literally no visible line, and you can run all the way on the edges and you'll literally find no cuts anywhere on the car. Now, I'll show you the bumper where it connects to the fender. Have a look at this line as well. You will not be able to see a single cut on it anywhere. So you basically won't know that there is PPF on this car. Now let's go around to the mirrors. Installation on the mirror is usually very difficult. People can't get this right, but this is how it looks after the installation. Again, it's been cut along the body line, so you can't see it anywhere. If you look under the window lines, there is literally no cuts here anywhere, not even around the handles, which is the most difficult area. People cannot install it here properly. You can't see the PPF being cut anywhere. Now, why we seal the PPF completely is because with time there will be dust, there will be dirt, there will be hard water, and if the cut is on top of the paint, it'll all settle on top and you'll be able to see those lines and all the cuts on the car. Wherever they are exposed, they'll become visible and they look really bad. So always ensure that it has to be tucked in, period. That's the best way to keep your car looking fresh for a longer period of time, because the sheet might last you 10 years, but if the cuts are on the outside and everything settling on it, that is going to make the whole thing look very messy within a year. So always ensure wherever you're getting done, no cuts, not visible at all. So anyways, we're done with the entire project of the car, and the client's obviously not coming here for the delivery, so there is no testimonial for this car. Hence, we took you around the car and we showed you how the car looks after. And if you have a black car and you want to get your car done, the best time, remember, is to get it done when the car is brand new, so that we can protect the original finish and keep it looking at for time to come and not wait for a year. So thank you so much for watching, and let us know if you'd like us to work on your car. You can get in touch with us on the number in the description below. Thank you so much.